What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we have a kitty laser or something. Watch. Look, guys.
No. I'm gonna hide it. You're not Bob the Builder. You're Bob Rock.
You just look at the pokies.
We're gonna attack the kitty. Sorry, look. Kitty. Come on. Yes.
Here, guys. Guys,
Come
look.
take the kitty. Come and
This is some good. Hey, Midnight, come on. Why did you break the truck, bro?
That's good.
But Midnight, come on. Some good content right here.
Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Ooh.
They're very long.
Hey, Midnight.
Come on.
Attack it. Oh, right.
All right, we're back. Yeah, the cat didn't want to play with the laser, so let's put it on my boot. Come on,
Attack it.
Midnight, come on, go get the laser.
Put it on the cotton.
Oh my God.
Put on the cotton.
Oh!
Put on the
Oh my God, the cat.
Put it on the cotton.
Put on the cotton, Gavin.
Here, let's put it on the cotton. Midnight.
Kitty. Kitty. We have free kitty food. Attack it, and then we'll let kitty win.
Maybe put your weapon away, bro. It's every day, bro, that the kitty cat flows.
Hey, Devin, isn't this mine?
What?
Isn't this
No, it's mine.
Yeah, it's Thomas's.
Take it?
This is literally some good content. Like,
Wait, where's
look,
mine?
it's at Mama's.
Oh.
You have one like this?
Guys, we
Yeah.
locked the cat in there. Let's see. Where goes the cat?
Wait, you're still recording? Put it in there.
It's every day, bro, that the...
Wait.
Honestly, maybe if I put some Christmas music in here, like... Maybe if I put Christmas
Dad, look,
music...
I broke my
Aiden, stop. You
Nah.
didn't break it. Come on, kitty. Let's take our cat for a walk. Come on. Hey, stop. Alright,
How's it going?
an interview with a cat. Alright, welcome back. We're back outside. Well, actually, we're outside, okay? Well, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be outside a lot, so... But, yeah! Let's see what... The Tree of Wisdom.
This is a video.
No, this is the Tree of Wisdom.
Okay.
With many, many plants. Alright,
I'm gonna be the guard outside.
No, we're getting out of here. Alright. We're back. Bit tired. Video, probably gonna get no views, maybe. I don't know. Honestly, not sure. Anyways, see that road? That's where we're going, guys. Alright. walking. Fat's walking. Running. Sprinting. Dude, you guys sprint. See, there's my car. No, it's not actually my car, but yeah. Taking a friendly little hike. So, let's get some of this. So, Hey. So, honestly, my most popular video is like, I think it was my Among Us free play video. I don't know. Honestly, I might leave one of my favorite YouTubers link in the description below. I guess, I don't know. I guess. So, yeah. Which way? Comment. Right? Oh, wait, no. Going left. For a little walk. Yeah, I got some of this. I don't know what it is, but sticking it in my mouth anyways. See? Honestly, I think it's amazing. I'm going further. Just up to the forest line. Thomas. Honestly, because we went in there when we're trying to turn around and it messed up the wheel. Okay? Now we have no go-kart. Jesus. Plus, everything was wrong with it anyways. Anyways, moving on. Hey guys, there's a road. I know. Guys, comment down below if we should go in or if we shouldn't. Jesus, there was a deer.
Was that actually a real deer?
Yeah. Honestly, I'll replay the footage for you guys. Not you friendly kind video watchers. Viewers. Anyways, I don't know if you saw the deer or not.
It was right there and it ran past.
I'm talking to the viewers, man. Dude. I'm gonna review the footage later. So yeah. I'll tell you whether or not there was a deer. Which there was.
Oh, that's the road.
Ooh. Let me zoom in on that. There's a sign, bro.
It says don't go there.
You don't-
There might be another sign that says
Let's look at it.
someone's there.
Yeah. Posted. Posted. Let's see. Oh, that's private property. Butler Family Farm. Alright.
Let's go back.
Yep. Thomas, you're right. We should go back.
There, I told you.
At least we didn't go past the posted sign. I'm pretty sure if you go past posted signs, that means you're trespassing. But I am not sure entirely. Alright, honestly, this is eerie. Honestly, let's head back. This is probably boring for you guys. So honestly, I think I'm gonna cut here. And then I'll pick up the camera again. If or whenever we get back to that. Alright guys. Getting back to that turn. Honestly, forget about the commenting about the road we just went on. Comment if we should go into that house. Oh, wait. Comment if we should go into the house. But, look. Lights on. Yeesh. Comment if we should actually just, walk over there. But lights are on. So, yeah. I don't think we should go over there. But, you know what? We'll explore more over there in a future video. That would probably be later, but so there's a big moving truck car over there. Alright, I'm pausing the video. Comment if you want us to go inside this truck.
Probably like abandoned.
Don't go in there, and don't go in there. The viewers haven't commented if we should go in there or not. But bro.
Yo, what I saw was a secret to the viewers. Okay?
Yeah, when you we might actually explore that old van or
Okay.
it's not a van. It's a car. No, it's not trucking. That's a car right there. Explore if you want us to explore those cars or abandoned vehicles. Comment down below saying cars #scary if you want us to go in the cars. But I'm pretty sure that's going to be in a later video. But yeah, honestly, I'm going to be making a Skyrim video. Yeah, that's right, Skyrim. I might do gameplay video on that. No. But I won't have audio for my voice, but audio for the game. So, here we are back at the house. So, let's go out back. But anyways, I'm tired. Let's go for a drink.